skies. In Cleveland, it was partly sunny and the temperature was 79. Once again, at 2 p.m., Mount Pleasant was 84 degrees.
Special marine warning for outer Saginaw Bay until 4 p.m.
Mid-80s.
At 2:25 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 18 nautical miles northwest of Becoming, moving east at 30 knots.
Rain 70%.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source,
30%
radar.
chance of showers and
Impact,
thunderstorms.
small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
West
The
wind
strong
5 to 10
thunderstorm will be
miles
near
per hour.
Port Austin around 4 p.m.
Sunny.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
West winds 5 to 15 miles per hour.
Sunny. Mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. West winds up to 10 miles per hour. And now west winds up to 5 miles. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Clare County in central Michigan until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Harrison, or 9 miles northwest of Clare, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clare, Farwell, Harrison, Lake George. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These are the 2 p.m. observations for Saturday. In Flint, it was partly sunny. Degrees. Observations. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 390, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Augusta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Tonight, west winds 10 to 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Tonight, south
Highs in the upper 80s. West winds around 10 miles per hour. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Tuesday, mostly sunny with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Bay, Genesee, Huron, Lapeer, Livingston, Midland, Saginaw, Shiawassee, and Tuscola, and the following: Outer Saginaw Bay southwest of Alabaster to Port Austin, Michigan to Inner Saginaw Bay, and Inner Saginaw Bay southwest of Point Hogre to Bayport, Michigan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Counties in Michigan, Clare,
thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bay County in southeastern Michigan, northern Midland County in southeastern Michigan, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Beaverton or near Gladwin, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expected damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bentley and Pintongue. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Here is the forecast for the Saginaw Valley. Severe thunderstorm watch 390 is in effect until 10 p.m. Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for outer Saginaw Bay, near shore, and open waters from Port Austin to Harbor Beach, Michigan, until 5:45 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 9 nautical miles north of Kaysville, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will be near Port Austin around 4:20 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. At Detroit, in Lansing, at Kalamazoo, it was partly sunny. In the upper here is the forecast for Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Bay County in southeastern Michigan, northern Saginaw County in southeastern Michigan, Midland County in southeastern Michigan, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Woods to 6 miles southwest of Mount Pleasant, moving east-southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pleasant Valley and Merrill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And thunderstorms early in the evening. Patchy fog early in the morning. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Lows in the mid-60s. Light wind. Gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Sunday. The National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for inner Saginaw Bay until 5 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 7 nautical miles west of Pintongue, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will be near Pintongue around 4:20 p.m. Bay City, Liberty Harbor, and the mouth of the Saginaw River around 4:35 p.m. Quantico around 4:50 p.m. Seaver Wing around 5 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Lows in the mid-60s. Wednesday, mostly sunny with a 20% chance of showers. Here is the forecast. Moving east. The National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Huron County in southeastern Michigan until 5:15 p.m. and Merrill. At 4:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Port Austin, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. 45 p.m. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Port Austin around 4:15 p.m.
p.m. Around 4:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Port Hope. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Huron, Michigan.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These severe storms will be near.
Here is the forecast.
Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs.
Tornado warning for northeastern Huron County in southeastern Michigan until 5:15 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a confirmed water spout was located just offshore over Port Boston, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed water spout moving onshore. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Port Hope around 4:45 p.m. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Huron, Michigan.
At Mount Pleasant, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 82 degrees.
Here is
Hazard, 60
severe thunderstorm, 380 affected to 10 p.m. this evening. Tonight, mostly cloudy early, evening clear entry. Numerous showers and thunderstorm early. The National Weather Service indicates Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Huron County in southeastern Michigan until 5:15 p.m. Before 26 p.m., a confirmed water spout was located just offshore over Port Boston, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed water spout moving onshore. Impact, fossil debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Port Hope around 4:45 p.m. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Huron, Michigan. The upper 60s. Location up to 10 miles per hour.
temperature.
National Weather Service indicates Pontiac has issued a thunderstorm warning for Tuscola County in southeastern Michigan, northwestern Santa County in southeastern Michigan, southwestern Huron County in southeastern Michigan until 5:30 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Quantum City or 11 miles northeast of Bay City, moving east at 45 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with gusts to 85 p.m. Source, radar indicated. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Gratiot County in central Michigan until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Ithaca, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ithaca, Sumner, North Star, Ashley, Harrington, Pompey, Bannister. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the base or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Now here, sightings.
This still could be Dole and Hope areas right now.
North Star, Ashley.
tornado was located near Merrill, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Freeland, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazardous tornado. Source: weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Damage is likely. Locations impacted include Saginaw and Bridgeport. A tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties: Saginaw, Michigan.
Just a minute or two ago.
Here's the forecast.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Saginaw County, Michigan. Effective until 5:31 p.m. The National Weather Service in Detroit/Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for central Saginaw County in southeastern Michigan until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Merrill, or 8 miles southwest of Freeland, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Saginaw and Bridgeport. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern County in southeastern Michigan, Saginaw County in southeastern Michigan, northern Iowa County in southeastern Michigan, northwestern Tennessee County in southeastern Michigan until 6 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Columbus to 8 miles southeast of Ithaca, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source: radar indicated upper 15 attack. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will begin under around 5:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Oakley. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. to the following counties: Saginaw and Iowa. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued effective at 6 p.m.
Heading on into
Before the National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Tuscola County in southeastern Michigan, northwest Lapeer County in southeastern Michigan, northern Tennessee County in southeastern Michigan until 6:15 p.m. Wednesday night, 5:10 p.m. A line of severe thunderstorms were located from Marion Springs to Quantico, southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source: radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Building County, Oceanville, Otterley, Lower Mineville, Lapeer, and Lum. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: Tennessee, Lapeer, and Tuscola. A severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for County in southeastern Michigan until 6:30 p.m. By 22 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms were located from recent until moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations intensity include Kingston. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: Osceola, Michigan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm. Thunderstorm warning for Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan until 7 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Ulm, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Ulm around 6:10 p.m. Durand Inlet around 6:15 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Shiawassee, Michigan. Severe thunderstorm. At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lapeer, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Inlay City around 7 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Dryden and Almont. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Lapeer, Michigan. A severe thunderstorm.
Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Lee County in south central Michigan, Southern Clinton County in south central Michigan, Northeastern Union County in south central Michigan, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grand Ledge, 8 miles northwest of Lansing, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lansing, East Lansing, Grand Ledge, Williamston, Hedgemont Park, Ford, Naperville, Waverly, Eagle, Wichita, Optimus, Bath, Val Oak, Ashland, Forward. Further protection room for an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Damage in winds and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Miles per hour. Precipitation 90%.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ingham County in south central Michigan, Eden County in south central Michigan, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Potterville to near Bellevue, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Charlotte, Mason, Eaton Rapids, Potterville, Leslie, Bellevue, Stockbridge, Aurelius, Onondaga, Bunkers Hill, Olivet, Brookfield, Dimondale, Gainesville, Eden, Pittsburgh, Hold, Gresham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
I think a team goal. That's your score. The most of any player at this goal.
Thunderstorm warning for Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, Livingston County in southeastern Michigan, until 9 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms were located from Libreville to Lake Orion, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milford, Novi, West Bloomfield, and Northville. People attending Eddie's Christmas and July fireworks show should seek safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Livingston, and Oakland.
So the two of them playing for the first time in the middle of the field. Perhaps the biggest strength for Qatar as well, to get another look at
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Clarkston, Oregon, 8 miles northeast of Milford, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pontiac, Birmingham, Royal Oak, Troy, and Rochester. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties: Oakland, Michigan.
I'm not sure that's just a loose interpretation of it.
The National Weather. This is an important message for the following counties in Michigan, Macomb, and Oakland. At 9:34 p.m., while the thunderstorms with torrential rainfall have moved south of the region, runoff continues from an estimated 2 to 4 inches of rain that has fallen in many locations. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Warren, Livonia, Troy, Southfield, St. Clair Shores, Pontiac, Novi, Mount Clemens, Milford, Sterling Heights, Royal Oak, Birmingham, Rochester, South Lawn Inn, Northville, Clinton, West Bloomfield, Clarkston, Detroit Zoo, and Farmington Hills. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning remains in effect until 12:45 a.m. Sunday for the following counties in Michigan, Macomb, and Oakland.